Hello everybody! In this video made by Paz and Maxi Paz, we are going to compare hydroelectric power and hydropower to tidal power.
What is hydroelectric power? It is the conversion of fast-flowing water downwards to electrical energy using a dam.
How does it work? There are two technologies used for this energy source, the dam and the run of river. We can say that the dam is an artificial process since the flowing water is produced on purpose by humans. A difference in levels of land is produced to create flowing water downwards. And we can say that the run of rivers is natural since the water used to generate electricity is taken from a river that already has a flow downwards. The water enters a channel. As it is flowing, it makes a turbine placed in the middle of the path churn. Then the water goes out the river. As the turbine moves and turns around, making kinetic energy that is transferred to a generator that will convert it to electrical energy.
Pros and cons. Pros. It is renewable, it produces high amounts of energy, the water is not consumed, either contaminated, it is cheap, and it also controls floods. Cons. It is weather dependent because it needs of rain to fill the rivers with water. Also, large dams are expensive, natural vegetation and marine life are affected, and dam failures can lead to great chaos.
What is tidal power? It is the conversion of flowing water provoked by the difference in high tides and low tides to electrical energy. The difference between hydropower is that the tidal power uses the movement of the tides and the hydropower uses the movement of the fast-flowing water downwards.
How does it work? There are three tidal technologies: tidal turbines, tidal barrage, and tidal fences. They all have a turbine that turns around because of the water movement. This turbine produces kinetic energy that will be transferred to the generator that will convert it into electrical energy.
Pros and cons. Pros: renewable source, clean, easy to install, predictable, it doesn't contaminate. Cons: expensive, produces low amount of energy, affects marine life, and has site requirements. The tiles have to be 5 meters of height.
Well, if we compare them, both use water, are renewable, and affect a little bit marine life. But tidal power is clean while hydropower contaminates the environment. Tidal power is reliable while hydropower is weather dependent. Tidal power produces a low amount of energy while hydropower produces a high amount of energy. And tidal power needs lots of site requirements while hydropower helps with floods. Though, which one is better? Tidal power is better for the environment since it is clean and it doesn't contaminate that much, though it is really expensive and not all countries know about this technology. On the other hand, hydropower is better for the economy since it is cheap and it produces much more energy than tidal power, though it has some concerns with the environment since it destroys vegetation and natural habitats. If we had to choose between both of them, we would choose hydropower, since it is more efficient for the needs of society nowadays, though we would totally implement tidal power in the future where things get easier and cheaper with technology.